what's up? Welcome to Lifestyle with Silver, guys. I'm at my workplace, guys. Ukisikia sauti unajua I'm at the workshop. So guys, on today's video, guys, I want to show you what I do for a living and what I do for my day, guys. As you can see, Nika kwa workshop, guys, and we have another new offer, guys. We have an offer, a December Black Friday offer, guys. If you buy one of those seats, guys, unaona ile iko na ka gold hapo, guys. If you buy it, you get to comforters free, guys. So guys, make sure you call through Massive Furniture, guys. So guys, let's do this one, guys. So let's do this. So guys, we are going to plate my daughter here. So guys, wait for the last view. Najua itakuwa moto, guys. This is my first time eating my daughter. Imagine kushuka mtoto for the first time, guys. It's not easy. Let us see, guys. Hey, na kuko na joto. Unasikia aje, Dave? So David, hebu tuambie, how is life?
David, you're being asked.
So guys, as you can see, I'm plating my daughter. I'm almost, guys. The reason that I didn't take this video before, guys, I was not ready to shoot. But nikasema, why not share this video with the family? Eh? Why not? So guys, that's the thing. I record nikimaliza hapo. So guys, stay tuned, guys, and wait for the last view of the hairstyle, guys. I'm doing braids, Kara 27 and Kara number 1. Yes. Let us see how it will look, guys. Also, guys, the reason is not, guys, simalizi huku mwisho nikuwa because nazirusha kwa maji moto so that they can coil themselves. So guys, kweja tutoe seta nanya nira record. So guys, we are done. Guys, you are done. As you can see, huyu jamaa hajui brown, guys. Imagine nashuka this color
napenda kukuchokoza, naona mbaya.
Sasa nikwambie, guys, kushuka mtoto ni so stressful, guys. So stressful. Mtoto hii haizi kabla unamwambia na kabla anatoka, guys. But hope for the best. We hope for the best, guys. This is my first nini. Hii ndo najaribu ya kwanza kumshuka braids. You know, watu husema braids ni nini? Braids ni kujua ni haraka, but guys, fixing hapa chini, that's where the problem comes. But guys, let us see what can I make. Guys, are you ready for the last review, guys? Are you ready to see what I'm doing? Are you? Tell me there, guys, in the comment section. Rate me how I look. Eh? Rate me, guys, how I look. My daughter is so stranded hapa, amekasirika, hataki kushukwa, guys. Imagine nilianza asubuhi and I'm not done. Eh, you can imagine the work yenye salonist anakuwa nayo, guys. So guys, can you comment hapo chini, guys? Tell me, what do you think I will do? How do you think, guys, the hair will look like? Comment hapo, comment guys. Comment in the comment section guys. Guys, it's so tiring kushuka Nyeri. You know I'm using this wrong because guys I couldn't buy another braids because I have a lot of braids guys, a lot. I will show you there in a video how I have a lot of braids in the house. So guys, acha tupatane nikimaliza kushuka tutapatana guys. I show you the last vile itakaa hii nywele guys. Make sure umecomment hapo na uniambia how do you think the hair will look like, how do you think, rate me guys, niambieni how did I do that.
Have ways to make cement with reduced emissions. Brimstone even has an approach that allows you to make cement making a source of negative emissions, actually taking carbon
my first
out
time
of the
being a
atmosphere.
Mususi guys.
Agriculture is another big area.
tried.
Pivot Bio
Look at
has
that.
a very low emission
So
fertilizer
good
replacement that looks
guys.
promising.
Hapa
In
santa choma na
transportation,
maji.
we're seeing
That's how the
great
look
growth in demand for electric vehicles. China is already
That's how my workshop place look. This is not my showroom, my workshop. Look at that. Look at those. Look at this cushion. Look at this. This is how my store looks like. Here in the box and machine guys. Look at that. So guys, let's have the stuff. Nataka tuanze kupanga na hizi vitambaa. When we are done kupanga vitambaa, then we can arrange the cushions, then the sponge, then we can arrange also the beds hapa. Yes guys, in the machine over there guys. So guys, come with me. Yeah. Atake. Botire. Boko. Yeah. You have seen guys, nimearrange hizo gunia, the gunia alo okay, this kitambaa is okay. So tumebakisha ile set guys. Maybe I will not be able to shoot guys because place ya kuweka camera sioni guys. So guys, let us meet when the store is ready done guys. Subscribe.